Good morning, everyone. If you're here, I just am setting up the charts. There's no news today. Price isn't really near any zones either. Got some stuff to do, so just gonna kind of leave the charts on and let them play out while I handle some things. Thanks, guys. Just to go over the notes too really quick before I get too far into it. We're up 11.1%, made about $450. This month's coming to a close this week, this last trading week of the month. Let's actually put week of, just to update this really quick. Our current balance is actually right here. And so this is where we're at for the start of this week. And we will play this out. All right. Thank you, guys. And guys, I will get on the mic and everything once we see something to get into. Just got a lot going on in the background right now, so I got the charts open, we got our levels drawn on, and just kind of zoom out to show you what we're looking at. And we will get on the mic again and kind of narrate and walk you through everything once there's some action. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, everyone, we're going to be looking to buy Aussie US dollar if it holds here in 2.5 minutes. I will keep you updated. Alright guys, 20 seconds here. It looks like it's holding for us, so we're looking to buy the market here in about 10 seconds. Remember last week we got slipped significantly on an entry, so we're getting in at 5 seconds right here, so that way we get a good fill. 1.8, see, look at how it jumped, that candle jumped up. Our entry would have been significantly slipped. 1.7, so we're going to make it 2.2. No take profit. We're just going to let the trade play out. This is our first trade of the day, and we are going to take it to the next level now. I will keep you guys posted. I just saw your message. That is a red candle. The black candles for me are down candles. The gray candles are up candles. Um, since it's a down candle, it is demand. And so that's why I put one. If you're talking about this one right here, that's why I put it there. Sorry guys, I'm not on mic and camera too much today. I do have a whole lot going on with work, so I just got trading open up on a side screen today. I can't really interact too much with it today, but I can still, just check to see where these 5 minute candle closes are, and so that's why I'm just checking it every couple minutes and getting in a trade and managing the trade. So that's the thing about this strategy is it's pretty mechanical. It's pretty hands free. I don't have to be like locked into the point where I have to feel a certain way or see a certain thing and know the market's going to do a certain thing because the charts at the end of the day with this the charts tell us what to do, so that's why it just makes it nice. I just got this open on another screen. I'm just kind of letting the markets play out and tell us where to get in and out. So we got plenty of room till the next zone, so I'm not moving the stop loss. Just gonna keep it here and just gonna let that chart slowly work its way up to that next supply zone. So I'll keep you guys posted if I'll get on the mic again if I end up doing anything with the position, moving the stop loss or taking profit. I'll try to be proactive about that. Hi Ted, just checking in. Saw your message too. On my chart, it is a green candle. I'm looking at the Forex.com, Forex.com chart, or the quotes, and so you could see here this is a gray body. So that's why I've got that there. If you're looking at different quotes, it very well is possible that it's a different color candle, because some brokers may be off by just a pip or so, and this is a very small body. Um, So it's very likely that you could have a red candle if you're looking at a different broker's quotes and their quotes are off by a pip or so compared to Forex. The first take, I mean, the first target we're going for is this 0.64244 zone. As Ted's saying, it's not even a big zone on other brokers. It's not even a zone. So if it holds here though, we're gonna take our profit, of course. But it's likely it breaks through, and so this is ideally where we've got price heading to. If it continues in our direction, so the 64.28 one, but just gonna keep letting it run in the background. It's gonna take its time to work its way up, but chart's not really doing anything else right now. We were able to get a good entry. um I entered like 3, 4, 5 seconds before this candle closed, and I didn't get slipped this time. If you guys watched the stream last Thursday, it was like a whole 2 pip slip, and it looked like the same thing happened here. This next 5 minute candle opened up and it just jumped up, and so we would have got filled like probably right here. So we got a whole pip better entry, and so I think ideally we're gonna want to do that. I took note and put it on a notepad in front of me to make sure I enter a trade a couple seconds before the close, just to be sure I don't get slipped like that. So we were able to get a good entry. This is our first target. If it holds, we'll get out. If it breaks, we'll move our stop loss accordingly, and then we will go level to level. Um, Let me make sure too that we've got. Um, let me just see. That's the high right there. I'm just gonna make sure we've got the levels when we need them, the next levels, in case it just continues to break through for us. Because you always want to be ready for it to just go, and you don't want to like not have your levels on, right? Yeah, that didn't get hit. So, okay, that's perfect right there. We've got our levels plotted out, so that way if it continues to go in our favor and we just keep getting good breaks and holds, we can let this trade really run as far as we need it to. So got to get some stuff handled. So just I'll keep jumping back and forth to keep you guys updated. If you put a comment in the chat, I will be checking it. So just keep in mind though it might not be any immediate response. Thank you guys. And as we see price approaching this first zone too, I will be keeping an eye on this and jumping on the mic a couple, like 2 minutes before the candle close if it hits, just to keep an eye on it with you guys to make sure we get out if we need to, or if it breaks. if you guys see how it's gotten close and it's kind of reacting sharply off of it, what we're gonna do, um, there's no reason for a trade to push, like 1 to 2 like this and for us to lose. So we're just going to bring our stop loss right under this zone, about right here, because you got to keep in mind too, we're paying them a commission, so we'll bring it right under. There's no reason for us to take a loss though on this trade now. We'll lose just like half a pip just because of the commission, but there's no point for us to lose significantly on this trade. Um, so we're just gonna move it to break even now that it's approached that zone. We're not gonna trail the candles. We want to give it some room still, and we're gonna do just that. But so we don't want to choke it out since it hasn't even hit our first zone yet. But we're also not gonna take a loss. We want to preserve our capital, right? And just a side note, if you guys start covering your risk like this, you'll find it so much easier to stay in trades. And it's actually kind of fun as trades move level to level, moving your stop loss, locking in profits. Um, it's kind of like a game. It's pretty fun to actually cover your risk and just keep advancing from level to level as the charts give it to you. But yeah, you always want to cover your risk. That's why I've developed this strategy, because I'm able to have such tight stop losses and I'm able to cover them so quickly that, I mean, it's very far and few between we're actually taking like hits on the account like that left and right, you know what I mean? Just keep you guys updated. We're approaching that first zone again, so we're gonna be keeping an eye on it to see if it holds or not. Prices touch the zone. We've got 50 seconds. We'll see if it holds. Alright, looks like price is holding pretty strong unless we get a breakthrough in the next 10 seconds. Otherwise, we're going to close our position and call it a good Monday morning. 3, 2, 1, out. Alright guys, we're out. That was it for today. A pretty solid trading day. One trade and done. Not even in the market too long today. The market's pushing in our favor, but that's not, it doesn't matter. It held this level, and if it holds this level, to us that is a sell signal. And so you guys want to keep trading, you do what you like. But we are done for the day. Let's see our current balance now. We made about $100 a day. It's a nice Monday morning. Pretty stress-free too. Honestly, I barely looked at the charts today. I barely gave it my attention because I've just been so busy. And so, I mean, it's pretty cool to make $100 not really even like paying attention. So we'll just see now our total return. And like that's $100 in like 30 minutes, not even. So that's pretty cool. Our account's going to continue to increase. We got a deposit coming the end of this month. And let's see too what our percent return is right now. This is also our 6th streak in a row. We have made money every single live stream on YouTube for you guys. And so I'm gonna keep the streak going. We've won 2 weeks in a row. This is week 3 streaming, and now we will see. Let's see what our percentage return is. Okay, we are up 13.6%. Our goal for the month is 20% a month, and we're up 13.6%. And we started this on the 18th of this month, so we got a late start, and we're headway to that target for the month. So we got 6 stream days in a row that we are in profit, 2 weeks in a row, and looking like we're heading to 1 month in a row. This is it for the stream today. We are starting off the week on a good note. And I'm going to just leave you guys with the Bible verse of the day. It's on the app on my phone, so that way, a lot of people have it. And it says in Ephesians 3:16 that according to the riches of his glory, he may grant you to be strengthened with power through his Spirit in your inner being. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot to unpack there, but basically, my strength does not come from anything in this world. It does not come from anything in this world. It doesn't come from anything outside of me. It comes from the Spirit of God living in me. He gives me strength to keep doing everything I do each day and to not give up, and he keeps encouraging me. And if you guys invite the Spirit of God into your heart, the Spirit of Jesus Christ, he's not just gonna change a few things. He'll change everything in your life, and it's just so much better to live with him. That's a couple years now following Jesus, I really can just look back on it all and just say there's nothing better. There's no better life. There's nothing I'd rather be doing than getting to live each day in relationship with God. So I just hope that encourages you guys. If you ever feel alone, you're not. God loves you, and he's with you, and he wants to just spend each and every day with you. And each and every day can be can be amazing with him. So I just hope you guys have a good day. I thank you for dropping in and watching today. Thank you for understanding and bearing with me since I've been so busy today. I'm gonna get off right now and just jump straight back into my work. But I hope you guys still got to enjoy this stream and hope you guys got to see some good trading today. We'll be back on tomorrow morning, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Oh, I saw your message, Ted. Let me just see really quick how many pips. That move was about I think my entry was like, yeah, it was about an 8.6 pip move today. It was about 8-9 pips. But 8-9 pips, let me just show you this really quick. Let me actually let's just see what our risk to reward is. If you guys are still watching, just to show you really quick before I have to go. I'm gonna put in the exact prices just to see exactly what our risk to reward was on this trade, because our risk to rewards have been insane lately. Like last week we what price we enter at? We entered at 64.16, and our target was, or our profit target was at 64.23, and then we had a 2.2 pip stop. Like this is a 1 to 3 risk to reward, 1 to 3.18. Last week we had a trade that was 1 to 7. Yeah, Ted, if you got yeah, do that in the future, cuz you could get slipped. Also, Ted, if you're trading on just a standard account with your broker, that could be it too. Keep in mind I'm trading on a Forex.com raw pricing account, and the raw pricing, it's a 0 pip spread, but it's like $7 per lot that I'm paying in commissions. So the total charge is less than a dollar. Or I mean less than a pip. It's less than a pip total charge and commission. But the 0 spread it makes it worth it. So yeah, check it out. It's called a raw pricing account with Forex.com. Yeah, raw pricing account with Forex.com. Owanda, I do believe, has a type of raw pricing. I used to trade with them, but I don't think it's like 0 pip spreads like this. I think it's still like half a pip spread or something with maybe a cheaper commission. But I've been loving the 0 pip spreads with them, and I'm able to trade straight off a trading view like this. So yeah, no, this is actually saying I made 7 pips too. So maybe my thing was wrong when I did it like this. This was my exact entry and my exact profit. So, but yeah, no problem, guys. Thanks for joining. It was a good morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, have a good day, guys.